I cannot find a video on this particular model, this 335i XDrive. So how you replace the angel eyes is very simple, all right? These left side went out. I wish I would have done this video before I replaced it, but I was out here forever trying to figure this out. So I'm gonna show y'all what you need to do. So first thing I saw was this, try to do this, not the right way to do it. You come around, you come down. There's a cap right here. It's going to be on, okay? You unscrew that cap, and when you unscrew that cap, push it to this housing unit. Now, this right here is an H8 bulb. It looks like this, okay? That's what does your angel eyes. So this is what you're pulling out. Now, when you pull this out, never touch here on the new bulb. Keep your fingers behind the plastic. So all you're gonna do is you screw that cap off, then you come here. It's gonna be angled to the left. You just turn it to the right and it slides right out, okay? Once you turn it to the right and it slides out, there's little clips on the left and right side of the bulb that you can see at the top. Oh, my finger's blocking it, but you can see it at the top. There are two clips. You unclamp those clips, slide the old bulb down, put the new bulb in. Once you clip the new bulb in, you just put it here. It's gonna be upright. And what I mean by upright is, if you look at it, it's oriented this way. Well, it's oriented like this. So it's gonna slide this way. So you're gonna have it upright, and then you pull it out. Then what you're gonna feel is there's a little hole that this bulb just slides in. You slide in there, then you turn it back to the left, and that locks it in place. Then you take your cap, you put your cap back on, like so. Then you have working angel eyes. Like I said, it took me forever to figure this out. Hopefully this helps somebody, because I couldn't find anything on it.